Oh my god, there is someone from Kick. I didn't saw that. Sorry, I didn't see it. Now I see it. Okay. Um, there we go. Now we have split view for both the chat. Uh, oh my god, I'm so sorry. CK159 King Priv. I didn't get to see, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's continue this blog. Hopefully we can what you call it, we can push them out and create them. Okay, the thing is, I am not sure whether or not I want it to be just the text like this, or would it be better if it's like a handwritten to make it a little bit more customizable? But I don't mind actually. This is the page. Huh, okay. You block. Huh, that's odd. Why doesn't it show? Doesn't really show. Zurich. Maybe later we would add some form of like a, what do you call it? Like a daftar pustaka. What is daftar pustaka? A bibliography, like an outline to kind of show what will be read in here. Okay, maybe we can just vibe it, to be honest, not gonna lie. I think we can just do that. We can make a component inside of the blog there. Okay, cool. Okay. Actually, is it? You know what? I don't really care about how it looks, to be honest. Never mind. No, I do care. It's just that maybe we can make, what do you call that part? The introduction. No. Okay. No, no, no. Table of content. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Okay. So I think what we can do is that first of all, since it's pretty much done, right? Rook projects is just gonna go here. And also we're gonna change some of the stuff here. So about, I just want to relearn how to write, some serious, some technical. I just want to relearn how to write, some serious, some technical. So I'm just gonna run some to make money. You can check my other projects at this site. I think it's just, yeah, nice. Oops. I think, okay. What was the, okay, so it's just definitely going to be the content config fix base layouts and everything like that. Okay. Okay, okay. So I think we can write up my first blog because I already have it planned actually. I already have like personal notes there. So I think I can just put, yeah. We can keep the Baki Hanma, but the other one is not. Okay. And I guess if we put it on draft, it wouldn't like show it, I would assume. If it's on draft, then it's just gonna be empty, I think. Oops. Right? Yes, okay. Cool. Okay, okay. Ah, okay. I think we need to make it, yeah, okay. It's not the base layout, nor it is the blog layout. I think it's the blog layout, yeah. Okay, I guess we can try to do that. Okay, let's see if that works. Even though I guess don't read it in like, okay, this one doesn't have that image. Okay, this one is better. Nice, okay. Nice, okay. Thank you. So I think we can check this part here. Yeah, I think let's write our first official writing content, although we'll see how that goes. New file. Let's see, what is the front matter that we need to put? So it's going to be writing almost every single day to avoid AI slop. So we have title, subtitle. I think I did this like a week ago, so I think let's just do it right now then. Let's just do it today to make it more official. Today is 2026, 04 and 17. Thumbnail, I'll create a different one. Images /blog / update p graph false. I don't even know if challenging, I can type correctly again without like the help of some form of. Is it double L or challenging? Okay, already correct. So I'm challenging myself to relearn how to write. Let's blog articles. Challenging myself how to write. I won't fix any grammar or typo and want to use mixed language. Formal, semi-formal, semi-formal, slang, any. Okay, I don't know if that's work. Can we see the blog right now? Yes. Okay. Reloaded data. It's still empty, so I don't think it's gonna show anything. But we'll see how that goes. I've been using LLM to help me write emails, captions, videos, script ideas, code, etc. for almost every day for the past 3 years since the introduction of ChatGPT. Since then, I've been experimenting with models, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Music, Machine Learning, Mr. Proc, and more. I switch around depending on the feature limit and use them for the basics of tasks as simple as short email reply. As it is, I felt the need to do something. I don't want to delegate everything, thinking over something. I want to regain the originality and part of writing. I want to have a real voice again. So with this blog slash article, I'm challenging myself to relearn how to write. I won't fix any grammar or typo and want to use mixed language formals like any. Of course, writing this technically I can put a lot of stuff, but I guess that's for a future project. What else? What else should we add? It's a bit cliche. I guess that should be it. Like simple. And then I think the next part will be some videos that I made that I have the script about, and I'm gonna turn them into like a blog. So I think we can do that. Okay. What can we represent to prevent the AI slot? Let me create something. Yeah, wait. Yeah. Do I have any photos or videos that is thumbnail worthy that I could use as like versus AI slop type thing? Okay, let's just put a random photo of. Let's put some random photo of like fried chicken or something as like the thumbnail. Or oh, no, never mind. Don't do that. Do I have a different photos that I could use? Oh, this is gonna be good. This is the image that I took when I was doing my thesis. Ooh, okay, I like it. Can we like do a screenshot of this? Is it possible? I don't think it's a good idea. Should I open like Photoshops or something like that? Oh, no. Let's just not do that. Oh, let's just use, wait 1 second. Yeah. Let's just use Canva for it. Okay, this is probably gonna be like weird, but it's gonna be so funny. Okay, in these nuts.md, I'd like to for you to use all available markdown format, but the content are these nuts jokes like make table, uh, code blocks, headers, and all other markdown component, but the contents are these nuts jokes. Okay. Okay, let's go. Headings, list, table, quotes, code block. Yes, correct. Okay. That is genius, my friend. Thank you. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, Martian Modo. Let's put AI slop, but the text is going to be some form of a monofont. Space mono. Okay, no, we need something thicker. IBM. Yeah, we can do that. And then we can decrease the line spacing and the letter spacing. Oh no, did it save the file project? Ah, scheiße. Okay. Was? Oh, really? That didn't save it? Oh. Oh, das ist nicht so gut, oder? Wait, einen Moment. Ooh, okay, yeah. To keep things technical. Okay, the table kind of suck because we couldn't really see the thing. Code block looks okay. Is there a way we can round it the corner? Or, you know what, it's okay. We just make it sharp. I couldn't really, okay. Do you double? Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay, I just hope you, I just wish that it would be the table to have a little bit more spacing. Is it because I don't set it up in the styling? Okay. Actually, you know what? It's fine. It's just that, is there a way we can add like a copy button? Even though for the code block as well as for like the table, maybe we need to add some form of customization later, but I think as of right now, the first is okay. Okay, let's make the thumbnail because for some reason I already made one, but it just doesn't show. I don't know why. So this is what we're making. I think we can just make it something. I think it should be some form of yellow so that we could see it quite brightly, I guess. Some of those. Yeah, okay, that's nice. We can make that into the IBM Plex Mono. Is there a bold version? Yes, this is bold and decrease the letter spacing. AI slop. That's nice. Is there a way where we can give it effects like a glow? Yes. Okay, that's actually not that good. Just a drop, I guess. Yeah, slop like that. But let's edit it a little bit. which is a bit more blur and more transparent. Yeah, I think that's nice. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing like that. Nice. Okay. I think it should be loaded now. We can do that. Let's give it a refresh. See how it goes. Okay. Did I forgot to turn it on? No, okay, that looks great. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh, okay. I have an idea, but right now let's commit this first, so that we won't really lose any of the progress. So let's just do this, go back. Okay, let's commit this first. It's okay. Oops. I don't know why a lot of this is okay. Close all. I do not have a def.vars. Um, where did we need to make the def.vars? Okay. I do not have a def.vars. Ah, okay, it's because I don't have the stuff. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Okay, actually, before verifying, I think what I want to add is that I think I want to add. It's gonna be so funny. Um, like to the left of like the this, it's going to be like an advertisement place. Like, please put your ads here, like a joke, and on the right is going to be like a like the table of content. Huh? That's nice, right? Okay, let's do that. Okay. Okay. I think let's call Claude um Sonnet. I think it's gonna be very smart. Just open a new. Actually, I think the composer is actually pretty good for UI stuff. So, and we have the Astro MCP and the other stuff. So I think using composer is okay. Let's just use composer. I think we can put it in the blog layout. So okay. No. Let's just use composer too. So yes, okay. This project. This is an Astro project. For deploying, I want to add a few components in blog layout or slug.astro, specifically for all dynamic blogs. For all the blogs, I want to have a floating sticky div Oh, okay. There's a slug, re or whatever that is for the. Okay, never mind. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, which one is the is global? Is it the one in pages? Yes. Slugify. Okay, that's cool. But I think all of this JavaScript is gonna run once during build time, no? So I think it won't do anything in like yeah. Reject because we're using PNPM. No, skip, 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 just skip. Reject, skip. Okay, let's see if it's able to do that. Perfect. I love it. Okay, I love that. That is so cool. It's a bit too tight. I think I want it to be a bit more to the right. This is a bit too tight. Like it's gonna hinder the reading. And I think I want it to be a bit wider. So okay, can we put it a bit to the right? Okay, how is it put? Is it probably it's probably gonna be like yeah, okay. It's a grid and they are blog rail row. Can we add a little bit more space there? This looks this looks so cool though. This looks nice. I like it. This one not so much, but yeah, this one is not good. I need to have some form of maybe we can make it a bit wider also, but I don't know which part of the CSS that they use right there. Blog rail row. Blog rail row. Blog rail row. Okay. Blog rail row. Blog rail row. That's that. Display grid. Grid template all on FR with 100%. Is it wider? No. No. Okay. You know, this is okay. It's a bit too close to the article. Can we increase the padding or margin so it's more? Or let's not make it sticky. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just remove them? I'm so lazy and wasting token, but could you put the email to in the actual? I hope it understands the DM me as well. This is basically just removing that. Yeah, yeah, this is what I want. Thank you. Very simple, right? Yes. Okay, no, it's not because we need the that as well. Okay. Ooh, okay, I know what we get. Okay, can we have TOC? Could we have an arrow to be able? Yeah, we're just vibing here at this point. Yes, okay, perfect. That is perfect. Nice. Yes, okay, that is actually perfect. That is very nice. I love it. Thank you, composer. So if they don't like it, they could just like do that, you know. It's less intrusive, I would say. Lovely. Okay, that's nice. I guess let's try to build it and see how it goes. Sorry, we need to commit this first. Check, test us. Okay, it's working. Okay, that's good. Anybody? Which LM are you using? Hello. Finally, someone. Hi, Alex. I'm using Composer. I hope you're still there. Oh my god. So sorry, Alex. I didn't saw it, but hello. Finally, there is someone because I'm using I'm using Composer. It's basically the model from Cursor, but it's basically Kimi K2 with some Kimi K2.5 with some adjustment. If I'm not correct, if I'm yeah. So hello, Alex. Welcome. I hope you're still there. If not, I'm sorry. It's just that I don't know. There's just not anybody. There's like literally nobody here, and it's almost midnight, and I need to shower, and I need to sleep. But let's try. Let's try to. Okay, let's do it. Okay, all good to go. I think. It's just that a lot of this just angry JavaScript stuff, angry TypeScript stuff. That's fine. Okay. Oh, yeah, we haven't really tested that part. Yeah. Okay. The RSS XML. Oh, okay, there is. Although it's just the okay, yeah, at least there is some form of XML. Okay, nice. Built. Pre-rendering static site. And let's do PNPM preview. Right? Okay, that doesn't work. The CSS doesn't show ya when built. I don't know why. There is an error. That is not good. But it looks okay though. I don't know why the CSS isn't loaded though. Okay, yeah, this is definitely. I don't know why the CSS isn't loaded. Um, okay. I mean, it looks kind of cool, not gonna lie. It's just that for some reason the CSS doesn't load. Okay. That's odd. Okay. Okay. We're not gonna deploy because this doesn't work. I don't know why. Okay. Server styles. Okay. 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 Well, no. So, okay. Not found. Okay. This is not good. This is not good at all. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's run the build, but let's shut off this dev server first so it doesn't consume any resources, which still probably will anyways. Oh man, Alex, I'm so sorry. Oh, okay. So you give her over. Okay. Closest is now imported in the layout, so Astro includes in the bundle and injects the correct link in production. The old layout was removed and removed complete success with the setup. Another okay. Let's run PMPM preview. Let's see if it's better now. Yeah, okay. That is much better. I think we can keep these nuts. We can probably change a lot of the styling for the code block and other like tables and everything later, but I think we can just put it right now. I think this is a good thumbnail. I think I'm going to use it for this video's thumbnail, you know, just to symbolize that this is our first blog. Merchant Mono is also Merchant Mono, right? Yes, okay. Okay. Okay, that should be good. And we can try to... Should we try to launch it? Yes, I think we should. Why not? Warum nicht? Yeah, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's just do it. What am I afraid of? It's a simple blog project. It's fine. I think this would be like okay. Dry run doesn't exist. Okay. Config help. Um, Why does it recommend the dry run? What is verify wrangler config? This way deployment is actually deploying for again. Plug in Cloudflare, manage AI, setup, purchase. Hey, is it hello? The student like I get the free student account. Hello, hello. So I think Cursor did like a Cursor free student, and I think I still have it. Yeah, here we go. So if you are an eligible university student, you can get it. So that's what I used. The other one that I also get is a GitHub Copilot using your like student email if you're like a student. So I mean, if you're a student or if you have a student account, you can probably check this out. Yeah. So yeah, give it a try, I guess. So yeah, you basically can I just So yeah, give it a try. I guess you should give it a try. I think there is another one from the Kiro student. Like if you have like yeah, this one. Get 1,000 credit. I don't know how much is that, but mm, I mean, they're giving out credits for free, like But so I think give it a try, I guess. But yeah, it's the paid version. But technically, I got it for free because I'm a student. Well, technically, yeah. I think we can add like a these nuts jokes for now. I still cannot get over the meme. I don't know. Same amount of tokens, right? As paid as one. Yes, we got $20, like $20 credit. But the same, yeah, correct. Where's this AI slot? Let's go. I'm sorry, guys. I promise this is a very mature thing to do. Okay, one last commit, and then we can put on GitHub. And bada bing, bada boom, it's going to be live, hopefully. Is it downloaded yet? But yes, you get like the 20% credit. You're welcome. The other one, I think you can also get like GitHub Copilot, but GitHub Copilot model has been like nerfed. So you can get it for like free as well using like the GitHub student. But the GitHub student one is a bit complicated. Like you need to like submit your documents and yeah, a little more step to it. Oh my god. Okay. Man, I'm tired. You're welcome. What other emojis is in Kick? There is no okay, no emote for okay. I don't know, man. Yeah, but yeah, you're welcome. You can get a lot of like the free stuff. Well, free if you're a student. Well, not yeah, it's relatively free. Depends on your um. Yeah, yeah. This is not what I want. Okay, which one is the AI? I want a page to only sequence paged and dev, and then go to FFmpeg script, and then we can just do not the AI swap. We can do these minutes. Which one? Which AI are you gonna try, or like, which model are you interested? Because I mean, the thing is, the cursor one we got Opus, the latest one. See Opus, but for the GitHub Copilot one, we don't have Opus. Okay, let's just do this again tomorrow because I am so exhausted. Of course, Claude. Yes. Have you tried the Opus 4.7? Sorry, I usually a bit more energetic, but it's already almost midnight, and not gonna lie, I'm tired. So have a great day, and or night or evening or whatever you are. Thank you, Alex, for stopping by. I finally have someone on Kick that is a real person and not a bot. But yeah, I love that. Okay, thank you, Alex, for joining me with this making vlog. I think I'm gonna deploy everything tomorrow. I'm too lazy, and I think tomorrow, if I finish the blog, I want to also continue the Casumi Resort website because I already got some of the info and some of the photos, so we could put them here. And yeah, excited to be able to finally show them, or not show them, publish them finally, and set up Dwayne and everything. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I hope everyone have a great day again, and thank you for joining me here in making blogs until it reached 1,000 readers, day 4 or something like that, or 5. I don't exactly remember the details, but yeah. Okay, so from people at Kick, from people at YouTube, see you on another stream. Thank you, Alex. I'll see you in the next one. We'll stream tomorrow. I'll try, but if not, but if not, on Sunday, because, well, I mean, you can, it's okay. Wait. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of Minecraft video, but yeah. So basically, if you check a lot of my like Kick and YouTube history, I've been doing it almost not really every single day. I changed the title and everything, and yeah, so I got the job, and so yeah, at first it was for like streaming until I get a job, but I did, and so the other one is just me learning how to make games, making this blog, and just vibe coding, and yeah. But yeah, got it. Yeah, okay. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. But thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it, because the people on Kick that I got is just random bots and like spam. So having an actual person is actually very nice. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Sorry, too much yapping.